So far and so wide, a distant moment crashes down as our memories collide.